Oh my God.
What I want to know, why is it compulsory? Compulsory itself, it sounds suspicious. And it gives a lot to be desired. It tells me that somebody up there or wherever is a beneficiary of that scheme, because you are not given an option of maybe 3 companies or whatever medical aid schemes, but only one, and it leaves a lot to be desired. And number 2, when coming to disclosing whatever asset or whatever you're owning, what happened to the case ngephalaphala when the money was found under the mattress? Because I believe that this they buy from the president up to the last subordinate. What happens to phalaphala dollars under the mattress?
Oh my God.
Number 3, there's something that I want to know and which I don't understand, and it was not explained to the House when we arrived in the morning. What I want to know, where is the Speaker of the House today? Because the Speaker is a custodian of the rules. But the administrators are the ones who are sharing this induction. Lastly, it means it hinders the members of this House to hold the Speaker of the House accountable, because she's not here. But the MK party will make sure that all the leaders, including the Speaker of the House, will hold them accountable. We make sure that they will be accountable. Yes.